guys, how's it going? This right here is the MSI Modern 15. This is one of the most requested laptops here on this channel. Now, many people regard the Modern series as the cheaper gateway to MSI's creative lineup of laptops, and while that's usually true, I've been using this laptop for a very long time and I can safely say that this is not just the cheaper entrant. In itself also, this is a very good laptop for most of users out there, especially of course content creators. Now why do I say that? Well, this is Varun from Guiding Tech and you're watching my in-depth review of the MSI Modern 15. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with the design. The Modern 15 comes in this matte black alloy aluminum chassis that looks super premium. Now it aims for a premium look and feel and mostly achieves that. I say mostly because it definitely looks good and the surface feels smooth and lush too. However, the chassis does have a bit of flex behind the panel and even around the keyboard area. I mean, it's not bad or anything, and from personal usage, I can say it's not a very big deal. In fact, it feels like MSI has slightly sacrificed the rigidity and sturdiness of the laptop for gaining a more lightweight machine. I mean, this thing weighs just 1.6 kgs, and for a 15.6-inch laptop to weigh that light is pretty good. Now the matte surface here is a fingerprint magnet for sure, and while cleaning it is definitely easy, you would have to do it quite often. Thankfully, the back panel here is completely plain and the MSI Dragon logo here is also flush. Also, speaking of the back plate here, it can do a full 180 degrees, which obviously is good. But what upsets me is that this laptop still cannot pass the 100 test. So, weird priorities, but okay, it is what it is. Now in terms of the I/O, you get a DC port, a full-size HDMI port, a USB Type-C 3.2 port, a USB Type-A 3.2 port and a 3.5mm headphone jack on the left side. Over to the right side, you get two more USB Type-A 3.2 ports and a microSD card slot, and that's about it. Now personally, I just wish that this USB Type-C port here supported USB power delivery, because it's 2020 and actually it's about to be 2021 and I still feel that USB power delivery should be becoming a standard right now. But for some reason MSI thought it was a better idea to preserve that feature for the Prestige series, so there's that. Now moving on, we have probably my favorite part about this laptop, which is the display. See, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I personally prefer MSI laptops for two main things. One is the display and the other is the thermals. Now I'll talk about the thermal department later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. But right now, let's just focus on the display, which is probably the best in its class for content creators out there. The Modern 15 comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD panel that obviously is clocked at 60Hz, but offers 99% sRGB coverage with up to 60% of Adobe RGB as well. It's easily one of the most color accurate displays out there in its class and becomes a perfect choice for content creators on a budget. The panel has wide viewing angles, and while there is some slight uneven backlight bleeding, it's nothing to be concerned about. Like seriously, I would recommend this laptop just for the display. It's that good. Okay, now moving along, we have the keyboard right here. And okay, I have a lot of expectations when it comes to keyboards on an MSI laptop because they always partner with SteelSeries and they usually have the best keyboards out there. Not so much on the Modern 15 because this is not partnered with SteelSeries. I mean, okay, I'll be very honest and very frank. It's not a bad keyboard per se, but it's just that MSI has usually raised my expectations to a level where the Modern 15 does not come up to. The keyboard here is pretty good with decent key travel and a clickety sound that some users really like. However, the feedback here is something that makes you wanting for more. The layout is fine and the keys are actually very well spaced out, but then again, there was definitely room for a full-sized keyboard here, something you would expect on most 15-inch laptops. The backlight here works very well and I have no complaints here. But yeah, to basically sum it up, the keyboard experience is pretty good, actually very great in comparison to most of its competition, but then again, it does leave you wanting for more. And then moving along, we have the touchpad, which is kind of like the same story. I mean, if you look at the touchpad in itself, it's very good. The surface is great, the gestures work fine, everything works very well. Even the palm rejection for that matter is very good. But one complaint that I do have is that this is a 15-inch laptop. I mean, there's a lot of room here. As you can see, there's a lot of room, and MSI could have made the touchpad a bit more wider. That's just the only issue that I have with the touchpad in general, to be honest. It's a good touchpad, the surface is great and all, but yeah, it could have been a bit wider. Okay, so next up we have the webcam. And well, this is honestly a very, very good webcam out there. Of course, it does not support Windows Hello because there is no 3D IR sensor here, nor is there a fingerprint scanner on the laptop, which is the downside. But let's just focus on the webcam itself. And as you can see, there is no loss of frames here. There are no skipped frames here. My face movement and hand movement all looks very smooth. The color calibration is decent. Of course, with purple lighting and my face, my skin tone, everything, there is some slight color grading issues happening here and there, but it's nothing massive or anything. And on the whole, it looks like a very, very good webcam, especially for today's time. And you can see if I change my face movement a bit, it gets a bit more whitened up, but nothing to be concerned about. That's honestly a very good webcam here. Okay, now moving along, let's talk about the audio part. And the Modern 15 comes with two 2-watt speakers located on either side of the laptop. And I'll be honest, they are decent enough. I mean, they do get quite loud and they can easily fill a 100 square foot room without any issues, but they do not have any bass here. Of course, if you're a content creator, most of the time you'll be using the headphone jack here, and the gold plated headphone jack here is very, very good. So there's that. And for the occasional hearing, the speakers work just fine. No issues there. Okay, so now let's talk about the performance. Our unit here comes equipped with an Intel Core i7-10510U processor with 16GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 2667 MHz. In terms of GPU, you get the NVIDIA MX330, and for storage, we have a 512GB NVMe SSD from Samsung. Now, as a package, it is clearly targeted towards the budget content creators who are basically more into photo editing and do some lightweight video editing. And the MSI Modern 15 clearly excels in those expectations. Like, I was able to run Photoshop and Lightroom on this without any issues, even while working with very high-res images with multiple layers. No issues whatsoever. And when it comes to video editing, Premiere Pro works fine on this as long as you have the preview panel set to a quarter resolution and you're okay with slight, like very slight hiccups every now and then. It's not constant, but yeah, you will get slight hiccups every now and then, but that's not a very big issue. The one thing that I really like here is the fact that the Modern 15 allows you to do all of this editing, all of that experience while on the go as well. Like, you do not need to have the laptop plugged in to get the best performance. Even on the battery life, you can get the same level of performance, which is very good and quite rare for a Windows machine. So that in itself is pretty good. The laptop also has its own creator suite that optimizes everything in the background to give more cores and better performance to your editing applications, which works very well and is one of the best features about any MSI creator lineup laptop. So there's that. Now, like I said, one of the best features about any MSI laptop out there, in my personal recommendation, is the way that the laptop handles its thermals, and the Modern 15 definitely lives up to that claim as well. Like in my testing during normal usage or even while being on idle, this thing was averaging around 48 to 50 degrees, which is pretty good. Now, while editing, like playing with Photoshop or just using web browsing or just listening to Spotify and basically lightweight to medium usage tasks, I was averaging around the 67 to 68 degree mark. And it was only while I was trying to export a project on Premiere Pro, or I was trying to play a game or two on this thing, was when I was able to push the laptop to 90 degrees. And even then, it's pretty fine for a laptop this slim, this big, and coupled with that kind of a hardware. So yeah, I mean, no issues whatsoever. Now, of course, when you talk about thermals, the thermal management is taken care in this laptop by 2 fans and 3 heat pipes. Now, the fan noise here is quite audible on high temperatures, but that's a fair trade-off for a machine that allows you to edit on the go in this form factor. Other than that, you get dual RAM slots that are user upgradable to up to 64 GBs. The SSD can be changed as well, and the laptop also comes with an additional M2 slot if you want to add a secondary drive. The Wi-Fi card here is also swappable, which might be necessary to some of you guys, considering that even though this is a very good Wi-Fi card from Intel, it does not support Wi-Fi 6. So if you plan on buying this machine and you plan on using this for the next 2-3 years, it might be a good idea to upgrade to a Wi-Fi 6 card. Like that depends on which region you live and whether Wi-Fi 6 comes there or not. Definitely not coming to India anytime soon. Okay, so lastly, there's the battery life. And as you saw in the previous shot, the additional M2 slot takes up a lot of space that could have been where the battery would have been located. But even for its size and the kind of horsepower that this machine packs in, the battery life on the Modern 15 has been really good. I mean, even with heavy usage like using my web browser, editing photos on Photoshop, while having Spotify playing in the background, I was able to get about 5.5 hours of battery life on this, which is really good. Now, if you turn on the power saving modes, you can easily squeeze up to 7.5 hours or 8 hours of battery backup from the 52 watt hour battery here. Now the charger here is pretty compact and quite easy to carry around as well, but it just brings back to the whole point of USB power delivery. Seriously man, I genuinely wish that this laptop came with USB power delivery. It would have made things so much more convenient. Okay, so what's the verdict here? Well, for a budget content creator and for what it's worth, the MSI Modern 15 is definitely a great option. Surely if you're looking for just any 15.6 inch laptop that you can use on the go for productivity tasks like normal office and productivity, there are much better and practically more cheaper alternatives available from the likes of Asus VivoBooks or Acer's Swift series. But this does not compete with that. This is clearly marketed and created for content creators on a budget, and the Modern 15 excels in that segment very well. I mean, the panel itself sets it apart from the competition. Now, if I had to come up with an alternative, I would probably recommend the Dell G5 that we recently reviewed on this channel. Dell calls it a gaming laptop, but from what I saw in my test, the G5 is a much better content creator laptop, and you can definitely check out a video down from the description box or from the card here to see how good of an option that is. Of course, that comes with a GTX series, so it would be better for video editors as well. But if your use case is more dependent on photo editing, the MX330 GPU here would be more than enough for that. And the package in itself is really good. I mean, the Dell G5 has a great panel, but this one has a better panel for sure. And you'll be more happy with this as long as you are quite clear on what your needs and requirements are. And well, that was it. If you like this video, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.